Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Well, it's not as elusive as it may seem. Today we're going to delve into the world of online entrepreneurship and provide a roadmap to success in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Identify your niche. This is the foundation of your online venture. What are you passionate about? What skills do you possess that others could benefit from? Perhaps you're a whiz at graphic design, or maybe you're a culinary master who can whip up a storm in the kitchen. By identifying your niche, you can offer something unique to the online world. For example, a graphic designer could offer their services to businesses needing branding assistance, while a culinary master could start a cooking blog or an online cooking class. Step 2. Create a platform. This is where you'll showcase your skills or sell your products. If you're a graphic designer, you might want to create a website showcasing your portfolio. If you're a culinary master, you could start a YouTube channel or a blog where you share your recipes and cooking tips. The key here is to make your platform user-friendly and appealing to your target audience. Step 3. Monetize your platform. This is where the magic happens. There are several ways to monetize your platform, depending on what it is. If you're a graphic designer with a website, you could offer your services for a fee. If you're a culinary master with a blog or YouTube channel, you could make money through ad revenue, sponsored posts, or by selling your own cookbooks or cooking classes. So to recap, identify your niche, create a platform, and monetize it. Sounds simple, right? But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The benefits? Besides the potential for financial gain, making money online allows you to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and pursue your passions. It's an opportunity to be your own boss and create a lifestyle that suits you. So are you ready to take the plunge into the world of online entrepreneurship? With these 3 simple steps, you're well on your way to making money online. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today and let the adventure begin.